Hey, this is Edgar with Engadget, and what I have here is DJI's first action camera, the Osmo Action. You might think it looks a lot like a Hero, but there are a few things on this thing that will make it different than its competitors. The first thing you notice about the Osmo Action is that there are two screens on the camera. The one in the back is a 2¼ inch touchscreen, and the one in the front is 1.4 inches. DJI says that it's 800 nit screen brightness, which means that it will look clearly while you're outside on the daylight. Powering the Osmo Action is a 1/2.3 inch sensor that'll let you take HDR videos, 4K at up to 60 frames per second, slow motion, as well as 720 and 1080p videos. And you can also shoot 12 megapixel still images. Of course, since this is an action camera after all, it is shockproof, dustproof, and waterproof up to 11 meters. But what I like the most so far about the DJI Osmo Action is this quick select button that allows you to, you just push it once and you can select between video, HDR video, slow motion, time lapse, photo, burst mode, and timer. This quick select button is pretty handy because you don't have to touch the screen at all if you want to switch between modes, and you can also add up to 5 custom modes that allows you to quickly jump into, if you like 4K at 60 frames per second or 4K at 30 frames per second, you can set it to do that. That same quick select button lets you jump between the front and the back camera pretty easily. So you hold it, and I'm here looking at myself, and I can take a selfie if I want to. I can even change the modes by using that quick select, and again, jump between slow motion, video, HDR video, and all the other modes that I have here. If I just hold it, then I'm back on the touchscreen, on the bigger touchscreen at the back. DJI is also using knowledge from its other products, like the Spark drone, to bring electronic image stabilization to the Osmo Action. What that means, obviously, is you're gonna get smoother shots when you take the camera out on your adventures. Unfortunately, the EIS feature doesn't work on HDR videos, but you can still shoot 4K at 60 frames per second using the feature. And since this is a DJI product, you can expect a slew of accessories like this handle here. You can also get a waterproof case, so you can take it into deeper waters, and you can also get ND and polarizing filters. So far, the Osmo Action has performed as good as you would expect an action camera to perform. We did notice some hiccups, slight hiccups with the UI as we were browsing through different modes and trying to mess with different settings. But DJI does tell us that it's an early version of the software, and that should be fixed by the time the camera launches. Speaking of, we don't have a price for the Osmo Action at the time of this recording, but by the time you're watching this, you'll probably know how much it is and can make a decision on whether you want one for yourself. To read more and check out more pictures of the Osmo Action, you can go to engadget.com. Thanks for watching.